how to view and monitor your data usage on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on, you will see first option is connections. Click on connections. After click on connection, click on data usage. After click on data usage, you will see if you want to view motion and data usage. So you will see mobile data 12.13 MB. Sim 1, you will see data warning and click on data service, and you will see turn on or turn off data service from here, and mobile data usage. So you will see secure folder, Android, link to window, Google video, Google Play services, Samsung accounts. You will see billing cycle and data warning. You will see start data warning and set data warning. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can view and motion your data usage on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.